Killed by a fish guy. The Sealy Network in Manila has issued an emergency action warning for Central Manila County in Philippines, from further notice to 4 p.m. At 2:06 p.m., an escape helicopter was landed somewhere near the Sealy Network nightclub, moving on Isan at 173 bpm. Hazards include tempos to 150 bpm. Hardstyle could be reported as Nusilis and suddenly higher tempos. Locations impacted include Manila, Nula, Philippine, Chersphine, Mafine, Cordon, and West Philip. For more information, move to the Sealy on the lowest floor on the facility. An emergency action watch remains in effect until further notice from Malaysia. Repeating, an emergency action warning has been issued from further notice to 4 a.m. Philippine Standard Time for Manila. The Sealy Network in